Another episode of Adventures with Rob. We lost our air conditioning the other day in our Durango. So I'm here at the junkyard and we're going to go in and try to find us an AC compressor for this thing. And hopefully we can make it work while we're on the go today. We're going to try to have working AC by the time we get home. We're here in the junkyard. Found the AC compressor we need, I think. I'm going to try to pull it off. Hopefully I don't die. Man, is it hot. I'm sweating like crazy, but we got our AC compressor out. 53 bucks, not too bad. We're at a gas station. I just grabbed a Gatorade. I'm gonna cool off for a second, wash my hands. Now we're gonna go run some errands and then grab some refrigerant and maybe see if we can't find a shady spot to switch us an AC compressor over. Stay tuned. Well, we're back home now. We got our AC compressor, we got some refrigerant in the can, shaky filly stuff. Hopefully that'll work. We're gonna change it right here in the driveway. Hope you guys like it. Well, there goes the ozone. Sorry, Antarctica. So we evacuated the system. here we go. I threw everything back together halfway. Got this located to the low side port, which is horribly, inconveniently located underneath here. It says locate vehicles low side service port, check. Located between the compressor and the evaporator, the only one with recharge hose will connect. Start the engine, turn the air conditioner to maximum and maximum airflow, close passenger compartment. Tighten the recharge hose at the top of the can by turning it clockwise. Make sure it's firmly attached. Shake can well. Connect the quick connect coupler to the low side service port by pulling the connector ring back. As you push the coupler onto the service port, make sure it locks into place. Check gauge pressure when the compressor cycles on. Using the chart, determine the correct low pressure PSI level in accordance with the ambient temperature. Read pressure when the clutch is cycled on. If the gauge needle is above the correct PSI level, check your compressor to see it cycling on. If the compressor does not engage, repairs may need to be performed. If gauge reads in the red zone, the compressor is cycled on. Do not recharge. Seek a mechanic's assistance. So, I got ahead of ourselves. Unhook this. We'll go start the vehicle. Get, kitty. We got a reading of 87.5. Sorry the car is so messy. Hey guys, this is the next day. We got our air refilled last night and it's working. It's working good. Whoa, easy, easy now. Calm it down. Running into bluegrass. Go drop some packages off for the wife. Get some iced coffee for the wife, juice for the kids, and me. But yeah, air works good, nice and cold. It was a success, guys. It can be done in your driveway at home. I wish I could have got it done on the road, but time didn't allow it. I could have got it done though, for the record. But yeah, don't be afraid to try the stuff like this. If it's broke and you're afraid it's going to have to go to a shop, try it yourself. Worst that's going to happen is it's still going to be broke. Thanks guys. Remember to subscribe.